Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm gonna introduce you to a plugin that streamlines the process of implementing both the visual uh, and coding aspects of your user interface. This plugin helps you automate setting CSS values, colors, font sizes, and all those other nitty-gritty details that need to be pixel perfect. It also lets you whip up a quick wireframe to get your project rolling in no time. Using the Figma to Code plugin is very easy and very fast. First, you should install the plugin. The link to the Figma to Code plugin is in the video description. Once it's installed, you'll find it in the plugin section of Figma. And for a start, you should choose a specific section or entire page. For this example, we'll select the whole page. And after selecting, you can head over to the plugins section and select Figma to Code. Now, you can see here there is some options, and there is an JSX button here, and make sure this option is selected to convert the code to JSX format. And there is optimize layout button. This option will help fine-tune the layout to a certain extent, and layer name option with this, selecting this option will include the name of each layer in the code. And simply after clicking all this, you can grab the code or click the copy button to copy the generated code. Now I'm already running a Next.js project. It's not necessary to be inside the Next.js. You can try it with your React project or any Tailwind supported like projects, and you can make a new component and paste the code into a new JSX files. And you should consider that if you using a custom font, you should import your fonts and adjust the sizes and absolute values as needed, and build your components. There is some important considerations you should know about. This plugin focuses solely on the visual elements of your UI. You'll need to add form-related functionalities manually. This plugin is a fantastic starting point for building your UI and translating your designs into code conclusion. The Figma to Code plugin is a game changer for designers and developers, helping them streamline the UI design and implementation process. I hope this video was informative.